welcome back to school. You've made it through the summer, now there's work to do. So put a smile on your face and sing out with me. We're gonna have a good year, just wait and see. We're gonna have a good year, it's true. We're gonna have a good year, me and you. So put a smile on your face and sing out with me. We're gonna have a good year, just wait and see.
Hello everyone, my name is Mirza. I'm an IB coordinator. I'll be teaching math to IB classes. Hope to see you soon.
Jonda, Jondu, Mengalaba, Janona Me Anthony Ba. My name is Anthony. I'm from Canada. I've been in Myanmar since 2015 at SKT. I teach English literature, French, and TOK, which no one has any idea what that's all about. Love to have you. Take care.
Hello, my name is Andrew and I am from Canada. I will be teaching English to years 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're going to have a lot of fun this year and I can't wait to meet you in class.
Hi guys, my name is Anusha and I'm from India. I will be teaching you business management and economics at Htwe College. I hope you all had great holidays and I welcome you back.
My name is Sandar. I'm from Myanmar. This is going to be my 12th academic year. I will be teaching lower secondary mathematics from year 7 to year 9. Welcome to 2021-22 academic year.
I'm a biology teacher from Azerbaijan. My name is Anar. I will be teaching IGCSE and IB this year.
Hello, I'm Guvanch. I'm from Turkmenistan and I will be teaching IGCSE and IB physics to year 10 through 13. I will also be guiding year 9 students as a homeroom teacher and IB students through CAS program.
Welcome all of you to the new academic year. I'm Htwe and I'm from Myanmar. I'll be teaching social study from year 2 to year 6. Also, I'll be year 6 homeroom teacher. Super excited to meet you all.
Hello, this is Thinzar from Myanmar. I will be teaching maths to primary students. Welcome to new academic year.
Minglaba, I'm Nandin. I'm a Myanmar language and culture teacher for both primary and secondary. This year, I'll be teaching year 5 to 8. So yeah, I can't wait to see you all my students. I hope you and your family are safe and healthy. Minglaba, Siama Namanan Tizawima, Siama, Dinima, year 5 can 8 in Yamaza Temapare, Kaliru ne, Kaliru Mitazu Wine Alo, Jamashilan Javazino.
My name is Teacher Mitch. I am from the United States, but I live in the Philippines. I will be teaching years 9, 10, and 11, and the subject that I teach will be English. Now, I think English should always be interesting and fun, and I'm looking forward to working with you in the coming year.
Hello everyone, my name is Wawa Ijo. You can call me Teacher Wawa. I'm from Myanmar. I have been in this school for the past 10 years. I will be teaching are from year 2 to year 9 for this academic year.
Hello everyone, my name is Mimiko. I'm going to teach science in primary. See you soon.
We are warmly welcome to our school. So please take good care of your health, help your family, and see you very soon. Thank you. Jesu Debare.
I am Sandar. You can call me Teacher Sandar. I'll be teaching ICT subject for year 2 to year 9. I will also be a year 5 homeroom teacher. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.
Hello, my name is India. I am from Myanmar and I am PE teacher. I am so excited to see you all.